I'm Val Hawkins and I'm Chief Executive of MWT Cymru.
I'm Zoe and I'm Digital Projects Manager for MWT Cymru. MWT is a not-for-profit membership organisation for tourism businesses. It is about making sure our businesses stay ahead of the competition.
We work with around 550 businesses who are directly in membership and of course many more in the wider tourism community. I think what attracts businesses to join Midwest Tourism as a member is that we've developed a considerable expertise in our field. We have an extensive regional website, Visit Mid Wales, which generates in the region of about 1.4 million page views a month, so considerable presence online for a business working with us.
MWT is always looking for new ways to use technology. We work closely with our tourism businesses, helping them stay ahead of digital trends. And this autumn we'll be launching a new Slow TV campaign, which is the first time this technology will be used in the UK for destination marketing.